Hi, Dr. Richardson here at Texas Facial Aesthetics. We're doing some injections today. This patient has a little bit of a poorly defined chin, a little bit of a rounded chin, and we're going to try to give her a little bit more of an angular chin and a little bit more chin projection. This will help to balance her facial features a bit more. We're going to do this using injectable filler, in this case a product called Voluma. You can see that the product comes in a clear gelatinous form, so it's an aqueous gel, so it's basically hyaluronic acid in a water-based gel form. Looks basically like clear liquid. So we will inject this directly into the chin. We've just prepped the chin with alcohol and with a sterilization wipe, and so she's ready to go. And we're going to do a little chin augmentation using filler.